party wave. Smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time to thrive. Happy birthday, you're a star. Blow those candles, here you are. Dance and sing, it's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do. Balloons are floating, confetti flies. Your laughter echoes, it lights the skies. Let's raise a glass, make wishes true. This day's a gift just made for you. Happy birthday, you're a star. Blow those candles, here you are. Dance and sing, it's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do. Spin around, feel the beat. It's a moment, can't be beat. Take a bow, take it in. This is where your joy begins. Spin around, feel the beat. It's a moment, can't be beat. Take a bow, take it in. This is where your joy begins. Happy birthday, you're a star. Blow those candles, here you are. Dance and sing, it's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do.
Rhea, Rhea. Ayan guys, laki-laki ano ba to? Baka? Baka.
Table number 5, number 6.
Number 5 and 6.
Ako.
Table number 5 and 6.
Okay, join na po yung tables 5 and 6.
Okay, so welcome to our country, Philippines, and welcome of course sa Senior Citizens Club. Ayan, ako kasi kailangan ang iyong Senior Citizen Club para pag-ibig ng mga Philippines. Okay, si Armie po ay kapitbahay namin sa Maloob. Ayan, so during high school na, hindi naman ako naging teacher, pero nakikita ko yung kasipagan, kalinisan niya sa loob ng bayan. Kasi ang hawak ko noon ay mga lalaki, boys, ang girls ay under na yung mga ayan, oo. So, wish ko ay lalo lang maging successful kung anong meron na work ka, anong may business sa anak mo, at kalakasan ng katawan at sa iyong siya.
Thank you very much po. Mga portion po na. Picture na po.
ba tayo dito? Nauna namin kaya ako hindi na kita makita. Dapat paalis ka na yun. Akala ko Kala ko hindi na tayo magkikita. Pwede pa yun. Ayan.
Uy, parang hindi ka 60. Oo, parang 40 na ba? Wala tama. Papakita namin na dance show pa rin kami. Ako, wag mo kami idadaan. Sabi namin, baka
for this 60 years of existence. With all these blessings and all this guidance, thank you, Lord. And also, for all of you who came and made my special day more special.
Ang dapat po kaya ano si Roy.
Dahil
Ang ninong niya. Anong gagawin mo ba?
for all these years,
Alikot dito.
thank you for all the love and support. My high school friends, elementary friends,
Matawa mag-isa.
my most beloved teachers, Mrs. Angeles and Mrs. Baltasar, whom I consider my mentor, my idol.
Yeah.
Sila po yung humubog sa amin. Kaya po siguro, kahit paano, medyo maganda naman po ang aming kinayanan ng mga kabasyo po ito. And also to my family, my relatives, who has been very supportive to me for all these years. My cousins, my tita, my two beloved tita, Tita B and Tita Rosie. Love you. I just hope na sana sa susunod pa mga birthday ko, may celebrate ko daw nakasama ko pa rin kayo. Diba? Also, to my one and only, my friend, my mate, my soulmate, thank you for the support, Maya, Aida, medyo grabe na asawa ko siya, matanda, senior mawin, but still, you know, I'm thank you so much. Thank you for all your presence here. Maraming po salamat at I love you. God bless.
Oh, yeah. Another year, it's your big day. Candles light up the party way. smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time